There's a viral trend going on social media where people are uploading their pictures and turning them into AI action figures, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done in this video. So make sure to watch the full video, and without further ado, let's get started. To generate our action figure image, we will head over to our very good friend ChatGPT. If you're doing this on your phone, then you'll need to download the ChatGPT app. So once you're here, you'll need to paste this prompt in the text box, which, by the way, I will include in the description box and the comments below, so you can just copy and paste it here. It says here, create a photorealistic image of an action figure, character name, which you can type here, packaged vertically in a premium collectible blister pack seen from the front. The figure is on the left, inspired by film, show, era, universe. Again, you can add custom prompts here. But this is the important part. It says, on the right, 4 accessories are arranged neatly in separate molded compartments. Accessory 1, 2, 3, and 4, which will be shown on the right side of our image, and so on. So that's the prompt we'll use, and then we're going to press the plus icon here because I will be using a custom photo for this. You can add yours if you like. I'm going to upload this one for now. Alright, now let's customize the prompt according to our character, so I'm going to name him Johnny. So you can write Johnny here in the character name section. There you go. Now let's add some accessories to go with our character. Since I like riding bikes, let's make this guy a bike packer. Accessories will include a travel bag, sunglasses, maybe some travel boots, and obviously a bicycle. Right, let's hit generate and see what ChatGPT gives us. You could do this only a couple of times with a free ChatGPT account per day. But if you upgrade to a subscription, which is almost $20 a month, then you could do this as much as you want. Okay, so here's the before and after of our image. The accessories are there as we want it, everything looks good. You can download it by clicking on this icon right here on your computer. Now let's do it again. Same process. Paste the prompt in the text box. Click on the plus icon, select Upload from Computer, and add your image here. This time, let's go with a different image. I'm gonna name her Selena, and she is a fashion enthusiast. Her accessories will include makeup bag, a purse, some makeup accessories, and some sunglasses. All right, let's see the results. Again, the image is pretty accurate, similar to our picture, and also the accessories are just as we want it. Let's try it a final time, but this time let's add more details in the prompts, such as different outfits and styles. Imagine if you want your custom action figure to be a football player. After entering the name, here where it says describe pose, outfit, and details, we're gonna add our outfit. In this case, I'll say he should be wearing a football gear with customized socks and football shoes. Add a bunch of football accessories with it, and let's see. So this is how you can even transform yourself into any action figure character you want. However, when uploading a real-life image, ChatGPT often displays error messages stating that it violates our content policy. One workaround is to ask ChatGPT to use the uploaded image as inspiration for creating the action figure image. Well, I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.